Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ann Scarberry and I am so glad you're here with me today. I'm going to be cleaning up the lanai. I've got some Memorial Day decorating to do out there. We live in South Florida and we get a lot of company, so we're going to have a big Memorial Day weekend. I've got a lot of cleaning to do and a lot of cooking. I need to do some prep work in the kitchen, so I'd love it if you just hang out with me while I get this all done. I am new to YouTube. It would mean the world if you would just pause this right now and go hit subscribe. I have so many plans for this channel for 2023. I like to decorate in the style of Grand Millennial, or some people call it Granny Chic. I have had that commented when people come into my house. They say, I feel like I'm at my grandma's. And you know what? I take that as a compliment. One of the homiest houses on earth was my grandma's house. There would always be something cooking on the stove, or she would have a gift that she had made. Normally clothes. She was a seamstress. So I always felt a little bit spoiled there. And she always had good cereal. She had the sugar cereal that we weren't allowed to have at home. And she also had soda pop out in her garage fridge. We could have that. Most of this decor is a collection of things I've had over the years. The paper banner that I make here in just a second, that is a printable that I printed out at Staples. I downloaded it from a website called The Graphics Fairy, and it was free, and I just sent it over to Staples and printed it there so I didn't use up all of my ink. So I have had this for years. These pillows are from TJ Maxx. And also the paper pinwheels are from TJ Maxx. host a family get-together, I do like to have a little special place for the kids, let them feel a little special. This table here will be set aside for the kids for our Memorial Day barbecue. And I always like to include a game or a coloring paper. This 4th of July bingo came from Hobby Lobby, I believe, or TJ Maxx. I cannot remember. I've had it a few years. These pinwheels are from Amazon. I've had those for a while too. I am finally making my way into the kitchen. Anytime I can meal prep, I love it. I love to be as relaxed as possible on the day of an event. Here I am prepping our cowboy beans, and this is just sausage and green pepper and white onion, and then you add a can of beans and of course more ketchup, sugar, and some mustard. I'll leave a link to the recipe down below in the comments. To get up early and check out my list. I am a huge list maker, so that keeps me organized, keeps my mind straight. So I like to get up and have a very slow morning. I am not really a morning person. I do like to get up, I'm just not ready to talk. Just prepping some snacks that we like to have on hand in case we go to the pool, or it's just fun to munch on while we're sitting around playing games. Seems like I've had this same list of snacks for every vacation or holiday we've had with my nieces and nephews, and it just wouldn't be the holidays without these mixes. I will leave a link in the description below for all of these recipes. If you haven't already, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button. That really encourages me. I have a new appreciation for how long it takes to put one of these videos together and to do these voiceovers. My goodness, that took longer than I expected, but thanks for sticking with me. And I will see you soon in the next video. I have so many recipes to share. I have a lot of decorating to do. All holiday stuff coming at you all year long. So I can't wait. I'm very excited. I will see you all soon. Take care.